GatorWraps is an industry leader in vehicle wraps and printed media. With our nationwide reach, we service customers from coast to coast with the best quality, service, and installation, backed by our complete satisfaction guarantee. Our award-winning designers work diligently with each client to establish a design that will build strong brand recognition, increase sales, and grow their business. We use only the highest quality products to ensure the perfect finish. Our in-house training program, combined with our vendor training support, ensures each employee has the tools to produce the highest quality results. Our strong commitment to customer service is focused in every department to ensure the client is a priority and builds confidence in our team's commitment to make their vision a reality. For over a decade, GatorWraps has been building and refining processes to ensure every job, large or small, receives the same great service. When our client's business grows, so does ours. It is our mission at GatorWraps to establish lasting relationships with our clients and ensure we are always on their side. At GatorWraps, your mission is our mission.